Good morning, guys. The kids just got home from school. We are heading over to our new house and we're going to be working outside. I know this is not sponsored. I'm just showing you because so many people ask me on Instagram what sunblock I use. This is white. On days that I don't wear makeup or when I don't know, I have the clear and I have the tinted. But I'm wearing all black, no makeup. This is leftover from yesterday. That shows you the funk I am in. I don't sleep in my makeup, but I'm sad and I don't care. And so I slept in my makeup, cried in my makeup. I did take a thing and wipe off my skin and put lotion on. Beside the point. We're going to be working outside, and so I have to put some sunblock on my face because I spend way too much in skincare to neglect the #1 important rule, which is to wear sunblock every day. Put it on your neck and chest. That's the most important thing. The brand that I'm using, I really like because so many times when I put sunscreen on and you do this after it's like rubbed in, it'll ball up. Or I'll put it on my face and then when I go to put makeup on, then it balls up. Or I'll put it on, put makeup on, and it separates. And so my foundation slides everywhere. It has taken me years to find a flippin' sunblock that doesn't just annoy the crap out of me. And here it is. I use the tinted more often than I just use the clear, but today where I'm just wearing all black, I didn't want to have a chance of this getting all over. I didn't want to be careful. I will link those in the description if you're going to do anything for your skin. If you can't afford to do anything else with your skin like facials or really nice skincare or whatever, buy the sunblock. At least put your sunblock on. You can do that. And do you know what's more expensive than buying sunblock? Paying for skin cancer bills. Yes, skin cancer bills. My dad had skin cancer removed. Ellie had melanoma removed from her back. She has a scar this long, that deep into her back. I've had pre-cancer 2 times on my face. Wear your sunblock. Make an appointment to have your skin checked head to toe. Boobs, butt, under armpits, butt crack. Get it all scanned. You need to have your body checked because you have to. I mean, you just need to, okay? This was the beautiful stand that you were all sitting on. I was like, I don't have a camera stand. I do this for a living and I don't want to set up a camera stand. Kids are waiting in the Suburban for me because I didn't want to be interrupted during that rant. And we're gonna go over to, what do I need? My purse. I've got my keys and I need my purse. Bree, yeah. I cannot tell you thank you enough. You're the only reason that I didn't cry today.
You're welcome, Mommy.
Okay, I really love you. Thank you so much. Huh? Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Where's my purse? Right here. Okay, but on a very serious note, if I didn't have Bree, my life would freaking fall apart. Oh my gosh! Hello! Yes! What a way to turn my day around with packages. Are you joking? Tears to smiles in an instant. Oh my gosh, I should be sponsored by the UPS man. Okay, you guys ready to go?
Yeah! Something on the floors or anything?
The floors are slick because they're actually clean. Keep them that way, please. You've got to stop rubbing your eye. You guys, is there something seriously wrong with Boston? He will not stop rubbing his eyes. They're itchy. Are they itchy?
Yeah.
Do you feel like there's something in them?
Well, duh. Probably has pee.
Well, does it feel hard when you rub it? Or does it just like, oh, there's something in my eye? Or, oh, it's just itchy, so I'm rubbing it. Why do you rub it?
There's something in my eye.
There's something in your eye. Dad is waiting for us. I think you need to repeat what you just said to me.
I don't think I should on camera. It's not appropriate. About your mother and the way she looks. It is appropriate.
Well, first of all, let's get the kids working on what they're supposed to do.
Okay, code. Let's see. First thing I want to do is get all the dust junk picked up in there.
You don't think it'll be easier for them to get this out of the way first?
Well, I want that dust junk will blow right out.
Oh, got it.
So
Come here, bossy.
We'll throw that in first real quick.
All right.
And then we can work on that. We need to put this in the garbage cans. So I can take this one and empty it, and then just Cody, I want you to take,
So different.
take this shovel and fill up that garbage can, okay?
And when the garbage can is full, you drag it over to the dumpster and we'll help you empty it, okay? You can tell that the mudding guy was here. He started mudding all of the sheetrock lines, which is very exciting. While the boys do their jobs in cleaning up, I have to show you. I haven't even seen that. Are you joking me? Jill!
Go stand back in the yard and see it like both sides are up.
You guys, do you remember when there was nothing there? So Joel enclosed the wall and then he applied the outside siding, which he did a complete video on his channel. I'll leave that video in the description. If you haven't watched those, you should go watch and at least give his little videos a thumbs up. They're not little, they take a lot of work to do. But anyway, then he enclosed this wall right here, framed it, boarded it, and then sided it. Joel, the trim looks so good. So the trim doesn't go over this. This just gets
But I don't think so.
This will just get painted.
Yeah.
We have a whole video on like where and like all the siding and all that, so I'll put that in the description if you're not caught up with our house videos. Okay, so I think he's just working on siding this right here. So he just has to finish that siding. And we're pressed for time because the painters are coming tomorrow. Are you kidding me? The painters are coming tomorrow, which is why we have to get like all of this cleaned up today. Are you finishing this siding right here?
Yes.
I do have a question. That little like area right above the trim, does that get covered with soffit and fascia?
It does. That's why I went to 6-inch instead of the 4-inch there.
Ooh, good job.
The fascia will go right into it.
Good job. I love that. I love that. And then last question, did the soffit and fascia guy email you back about getting on his schedule?
I don't know.
Anyone that has ever hired a contractor knows that the communication between contractors is awful. No matter the contractor, no matter how good they are at their work, they need to hire someone full-time to be their secretary,
Their wife is
to be
not
their
the secretary.
scheduler.
It's not getting done.
Well, but if the mom is at home trying to take care of the kids, it's going to be just as hard.
It is. But those guys, they're good at what they're good at for a reason.
Yeah, they're not
terrible at work.
Yeah, they're not secretaries for a reason.
And if they're good at secretaries, they're probably not good at their work.
I'm so proud of you, Joel. I can't even handle this. Okay, I just have to, like, I'm not ready to be done talking about this. So in this garage, oh, they did put that piece of sheetrock up on the wall. That's good. What I was gonna say is there's this like nook area. You can put an entire row of like shelving over here if you wanted to in this garage and still have room for 2 cars. That's more than I have room for.
This, like, you can put a huge workbench and like storage shelves back here for like balls and, you know, the kids stuff that kids play outside with. That stuff can go right here.
Gosh, I'm jealous of the garage, Joel. Will you make me a house with a 2-car garage?
Someday.
Okay.
You have a 1-car garage. That's all you need, 1. Your car stays in the garage.
Does the fire not hurt you?
No, it kind of hits you a little bit.
Are you supposed to be wearing something else to protect you? Like, are you supposed to wear like black goggles or anything?
No, the lights.
Okay.
It's not well.
Just making sure.
No.
Is the red?
Okay, let's go finish our pile. We gotta finish our pile. Go, go, go.
Can we finish this?
Yes, put that in the dumpster.
Keep the big pieces.
Okay, no, don't worry about this pile.
Let's keep that one, that one. The rest can go in. Yep, the rest can go to the garbage bag. That stuff's heavy, so you be careful.
Okay, get going, Link. What do you guys think? You did that.
We did all this work.
We picked up all that stuff. We put it in the trailer. Boys, thank you. I'm proud of you. I told the kids that we would earn a little bit of money, and I think a dumpster full of garbage deserves a little something. Olivia was gonna come with us. I was supposed to like...
That's a because actually.
We'll see. I wanted to go get Olivia. It's hot outside. Look how red my face is.
I'm not hot.
Well, Mom's hot.
You're sweaty.
That's what Joel said. Am I right? Say goodbye to the swamp cooler, everybody. Oh, no more swamp cooler. We now have air conditioning. Thank you. Nice. He took the swamp cooler off the roof, and so now he needs to actually repair the roof. So you can keep an eye out for those details on today's task, which I will, like I said earlier, have linked in the description. Do you guys remember when there used to be a big shed right there? Whoever gets this, look how pretty this is. It sits on a ½ an acre, and it's just pretty. What I think would be fun is to also paint this. Whoever lives here can decide what they do with that, but it would be fun to paint that the same color as the house. It's a cute shed. It's a good shed. It's just small. Holy shed. Don't you think whoever lives here is gonna love it?
That little shed.
Oh, did I say ½ an acre? It sits on a full acre.
½ acre.
½ acre. It sits on a ½ acre. Feels like an acre, am I right?
Anybody looking for a pristine piece of real estate? I know the builder myself.
He's real hot. He's woolly hot. He has a YouTube channel.
Your own calendar of pictures of him come with the purchase of the house. You know what I mean?
Oh, Cody. Okay, go ahead. Good job. Oh, we still have a lot more to pick up. I thought it was quitting time. I was really excited to go home, but apparently. Yep, I want all of it cleaned up. I'm gonna go get Olivia.
Got a bee's nest. Got a bee's nest. Got a bee's nest.
You guys ready to go to Maverick?
Yes, finally.
Let's go.
Sunlight and crystal rain, one heart still the same. Cold cityscape, steel street signs. We wake to pass through time. It's all surrounding around me. The silent air, spread wings rising up like prayers. We watch the seasons glow, tell stories of what we know. It's all surrounding around me. Like water that moves divine, falling in front of me. We go where the rivers wind, turning to perfect seas. The wind dances
definitely spent a small fortune on Maverick. This entire summer, the kids would run from the house to Maverick and they would pick out a drink and a treat. And Joel would give them 20 bucks every time they came in. You guys got a lot done today, so I don't mind walking with you to pick out a treat, and we're gonna get Dad and Bo some water. Kids stopped off at the park and they're gonna play there until it's time to go. I wanna show you, I brought this with me tonight because I really want to be able to blow everything off out like on the driveway and stuff. So that way when the painters get here tomorrow morning, there's not like debris everywhere. This is my own personal blower because when we redid the patio, I told Joel, I said, I cannot, like if you struggle, I said, if you struggle putting your blower, turning your blower on, I said, how am I supposed to keep my patio clean? And I was like, I know I'm not gonna be able to. So he bought me my very own blower. And this might sound crazy, but I blow off the patio more than I vacuum my own house because it needs it like more. This is the best purchase I've ever made in my entire life. I blow my patio off, my driveway off, my garage out, and it just keeps things so flippin' clean. And it's so easy. I just like plug my battery in it and then it's like good to go. If anyone is interested, I think this would make a really good gift idea for like a husband, a wife. Anyway, I think it's a really good idea. I'll link it in the description for you. Let's just take note at how beautiful the sunset is looking through the window. Are you kidding me? The boys are fixing where the swamp cooler used to be, and anyway, and there's a few other things that they've got to prep. You guys be safe up there. See ya. I sent a picture of this to my mom and I said, Mom, it looks like The House That Had Enough. Who remembers that book? I bought that book for my mom. Looks like The House That Had Enough. I'm gonna turn that frown into a smile. You just wait. Well, usually don't stay up this late.
Somebody stole my top.
All work late, and now we're eating late, and now we're messing around late.
Hashtag worth it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, before, put it on my outfit, span down a little. I will put my outfit in the description because they're my favorite leggings and the hat, the whole thing.
They're my favorite leggings.
Favorite lady.
Bye.